and welcome to another Instrument Choice support video. In this video, we will try and bake some cookies in a hot car. We found out the week leading up to Christmas was going to be a little bit warm in Adelaide, so we decided to conduct a little experiment. How hot does a car get on a 40-degree day, and is it hot enough to do some baking? For this, we will try and bake some chocolate chip cookies and use the EL USB 1 data logger to see how hot the car actually gets. Before starting, we will set up the data logger to log at 10-second intervals. Pop the logger on the tray with the cookies and get baking. It's warm enough that in the short distance from the office to the car, the cookies have already started to sweat. We will leave them here for a couple of hours without opening any doors and see how they go. After only an hour, they are already starting to take shape. I think we might have gone a little bit overboard with the butter. After 2 hours, the cookies are starting to crisp up on the outside. Looking almost ready to me. We have removed the cookies after about 3 hours in the car and set them aside for a few minutes to cool. While we wait, let's check the data logger and see how hot the car got. You can see as soon as the logger was set up and placed in the car, it went from just above 20 degrees to over 70 within a matter of minutes. The car temperature was maintained well above 70 degrees and peaked at an incredible 87 degrees. And here's the result. Crispy on the outside and gooey on the inside. We hope that you enjoyed this video by Instrument Choice. Thanks for watching.